Sex offenders living with your loved ones and families are being left in the dark. We've uncovered convicted rapists and child abusers living in our state's nursing homes.
And officials say it's all being kept secret. Investigative reporter Steve Tellier uncovers these nursing home nightmares.
Gross lewdness, aggravated rape, child rape, 24 sexual convictions. All of these men living nearly invisibly among vulnerable senior citizens.
The people in that nursing home that have a registered sex offender within their community don't know it.
7 News took the addresses of nursing and rest homes and compared them to the addresses for sex offenders on our state's registry. 2 level 2 and 10 level 3 sex offenders, the most dangerous kind, came up matches.
I found it out accidentally when I wanted to join the neighborhood watch.
1 lives in Penny Shaw's nursing home.
Nobody but me in the building knows.
Staff assured her he is in poor health and far from a threat.
So in my building, I had no fear. I have great 100% confidence in my facility's ability to manage it.
But worst fears have been realized before.
The mental harm is a harm that can't be erased or fixed.
David Hoey handles headline-grabbing elder abuse cases across Massachusetts. More than a decade ago, he sued a nursing home in Norwood and John Enos, a level 3 sex offender who had lived there.
The sex offense crimes were to children. So the nursing home did not believe that he would act out on elderly people.
Yet Enos was arrested for raping his 90-year-old roommate. Prosecutors dropped the case after Enos died the next year, and the civil case was later settled. Hoey insists many other cases never begin.
There are a number of families, because of that mental harm, who just will not come forward.
Do you think there are other cases like this out there over the past decade and we just don't know about?
I know for a fact there are.
The year after John Enos was arrested, Massachusetts banned all level 3 sex offenders from living in nursing homes. But the Supreme Judicial Court ruled that unconstitutional. Since then, offenders have moved in while other residents are left in the dark.
There's no way they would know. And sometimes the nursing homes themselves don't know, because there's no requirement for them to ask that question.
What's more, even if a nursing home knows of an offender, they're not required to tell anyone. Pam the Dash has studied the issue at UMass Boston.
There's a really strong argument that you have a right to know.
And the Massachusetts Senior Care Association, which represents many nursing homes, told 7 News, quote, while there are no specific regulatory requirements or restrictions relative to sex offenders living in nursing facilities, our facilities screen every application carefully and work diligently to ensure the safety of every patient. Hoey insists they can do more.
If you have a sex offender registered living in your nursing home, you post it. The residents have a right to know.
Federal law does require nursing homes to identify any residents who may abuse others and come up with a plan to prevent it. In Massachusetts, background checks are required for nursing home staff, but not residents. In the newsroom, Steve Tellier, 7 News.